If the contract says failure to perform any obligation under this agreement due to an act of God or other unforeseen circumstances shall not be considered a breach.
Great question. So what that essentially means is that if there's something that occurs, like an act of God, say a hurricane, COVID-19, something of that sort, then the party that's responsible for providing some type of service or product under that contract is no longer liable to do so. It essentially excuses that performance. In most scenarios, it never is an issue until it actually is. So I'll give you an example. Around 2019, COVID-19 happened, right? There were shutdowns. The government had shelter-in-place orders, and a lot of businesses were forced not to open. But during that time, landlords still expected to get paid rent. And whether or not they were able to collect on that rent depended on what the contract said. So this is essentially also in the legal language known as a force majeure clause. It's one of those clauses where you want to have it in a contract, but you rarely think it's going to come up.